What's going on, guys? It's David here with Sheepdog Services here in beautiful South Mississippi. Of course, it is this afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock right now. Just got off work. Sun is still hot. It's still about 85 right now. And I'd say it's hot. It's a little warm. Anyway, I got one commercial account I'm gonna go cut. Y'all probably can guess which one it is. Just thought I'd get y'all some footage, all right? Y'all ain't tight. All right, guys. So we're back over here at this commercial property. I'm gonna be taking care of it again. I need to take care of the front bushes. I need to talk to them about it. I'm gonna show them to y'all in just a second. I'm gonna get some of these toys out the way. I guess with the COVID thing, they've been bringing their kids to work with them, which is awesome. And you can't have the kids' toys getting all messed up and dirty. And babies need somewhere to play. All right. Yeah, let me run around front and show you all that. All right, guys, so here's the front bushes. You see they need to be tidied up a little bit, especially this one here with all that extra growth on it. That lower pedal, you know what it is. It needs to be cleaned up. That needs to be ripped out. Those all need to be trimmed up. So does those. I'm sorry, guys, I don't know if y'all got to see that or not. I'm not paying attention to the camera. I'm looking at everything. And then these over here has got some vines and stuff that needs to be cut out. That crepe myrtle could be trimmed up, but this is the property. It's pretty nice. I like it. Anyway, look at that seagull over there. Hold on. Look at that seagull. Just tearing up something. Guys, you also need to be looking at the vehicles that's at the properties if you got commercial properties, or even at some of these home residents, just to make sure that while you're working, you can document what they look like before and what they look like after, just to see why. So, all right, let me get all this stuff unloaded and everything set up. We're gonna get some footage. Alright guys, so everything's done, cut, weed eated, everything's blown, the yard's done. It meets my standard, so therefore I know the customer's gonna be super happy because that's how the sheepdog rolls. I got a question for y'all. Do y'all think birds hold grudges? Like, yeah, like birds, like, you think they hold grudges? Like, I think this bird's family member got hit by a Yukon at one time or another because they have just dive bombed the mess out of this thing. It's just a poop parade over here. Whew. Anyway. All right, guys. So I just finished this one, and it's my favorite time of the day. It's time to go home, see the family, play with my son, see my beautiful wife, get ready to do it tomorrow. I'm trying to fix my hair so I don't look all nappy for y'all. Anyway, quote of the day comes from Colin Powell. He said, "There is no secret to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from your failures." I don't know how many times I've heard people say failure is not always a bad thing. Failure, it should be something to learn from. We're going to work backwards from the failure to the hard work to the preparation. All right? Learning from your failures, I've already touched on it one time before. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. All right? You got to learn from, you got to fail to grow. And what I mean is, there's not a single business person, there's not a single person that's built something worthwhile that hasn't failed before at something. All right, you look at Walt Disney. He failed and was out of business multiple times before he ever made it as a cartoonist. All right, now to the hard work. If you get an opportunity, don't slack on it. You can't sit there and lollygag around and hope and pray that everything works. I mean, prayer doesn't hurt, but I mean, you can't. You gotta put in the effort. You gotta dig down deep. Hey, you know, I'm tired, but I'm still gonna go out here and do this. I'm still gonna go door to door, knocking on these doors, see if somebody needs this, that, or the other. Whatever your gig is. It may be cutting grass. It may be, I don't know, underwater basketball. But what if, sorry guys, I had a phone call to cut my video off. I need to get a GoPro. Anyway, whatever your gig is, just make sure you give it, I wouldn't say 100%, give it 120%. Give it everything you got, and then dig a little deeper and give it some more. All right? Now we hit the preparation part. Before you go out there and throw all that hard work at it, you need to have a game plan. You need to know what you're going to do to try to make. What? 18-wheeler tire right there don't look too good. Anyway, you need to know what you want to accomplish, know how you want to accomplish it, and then set a deadline for it. Don't give yourself, all the time in the world to do it, because then you're going to procrastinate. Set yourself a deadline. All right, in 2 weeks, I want to get at least 2 extra accounts. So to meet that goal, you need to get out there, put in some hard work, go door to door, sell yourself. Yeah, selling yourself ain't a bad thing. Trying to be a salesman, that's what you are in this business. You're going to be a salesman. If you're going to be a business owner, you're a salesman. It's simple as that. If you can't talk to people, you need to start putting yourself in positions that is uncomfortable for you and start talking to people. That's how I was. I hate talking to people. Even though that I'm in law enforcement, I got to talk to people every day. I absolutely hate it. People aggravate the mess out of me. So, anyway, guys, go out there and get it. Get what you want because it's something that you want. Nobody's going to hand it to you. All right? Have fun doing it, because if you're not having fun, why are you doing it? Anyway, this is yeah, I don't have anything else. I was about to say something else. I was about to give y'all a corny end line like, this has been the Sheepdog signing off, but no, I'm not doing that. I guess I just did, but anyway, y'all have a good one. Take care. Hit that subscribe button for me, smash that thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Y'all take care.